Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito lang po nilingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful, meaningful letter reading. Dito lang po sa ilang ginabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. Lagi shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nakaabang at nanood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay isang reading para sa buwan ng May 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na sa sign ng Aries, okay? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Takes what only resonates, ha? So, sige po. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po o nakaresonate po kayo, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-subscribe kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe. Mag-like, comment, and share. If you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, paki-follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa akin. Hindi po ako mag-message po sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Scammer po yan, manloloko, nanggagaya po ng account natin yan, magdoble ingat po kayo, right? So sige, wag na natin patagalin pa to. Aries, kunin na natin ang iyong 10 cards for your reading sa buwan ng May 2026. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Aries. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Thank you so much po ha sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po iniiwan ang inyong lingkod. And thank you so much for the loyalty sa ating mga avid subscribers and watchers. Thank you so much po. Utang na loob ko po sa inyo ang lahat ha. Sige, let's begin. Aries, your May 2026 reading with your first card. Wow. Wow. It's a big wow. Wheel of Fortune is here. Ruleta na kapalaran. It's like, good fortune, good blessings, good news will be turning on your favor. Ikaw naman, Aries. It's filled with a lot of actions, activities, business opportunities, money-related, promotion. Okay? Lahat na ito, talagang sa'yo naman iikot ang swerte, ang good news, ang blessings. Okay? So, i-claim mo nito, Aries. Ang gandang panimulang barahan nito para sa yung reading, ha? May 2026, expect a month filled with blessings and opportunities. Good news for you. Alright? Wow. Knight of Cups, victory and success. Siguro kung may mga tinatrabaho ka lately, may mga inaantay kang result or whatever by May 2026 with the victory and success here with the Knight of Cups. So talaga magiging magandang resulta nito. Aayon talaga sa iyo ang magandang resulta, ang pabor with the Knight of Cups here. So this is something na kumbaga bunga ng lahat ng paghihirap mo, bunga ng lahat ng sakripisyo. Okay, sleepless nights mo. And here you are, you came from a battle galing kasi isang laban and ikaw yung nanalo, you're holding the trophy, you're holding the cup which signifies victory and success for you, Aries. Wow! Ang gaganda ng mga cards natin by May 2026. Six of Cups, I can see here there's an Aries na parang totally mag-move on na talaga into a certain situation na matagal na panahon na hinawakan nila or nagpahirap sa akin at hindi sila basta-basta makaalis. But now, I can see na parang natauhan na itong mga Aries na ito. May 2026, totally they're going to realize na tama na, pagpapahirap, ang pagpapabigat sa buhay ko, ilalat go ko na ito. This is more on healing and releasing. Moving forward into a certain life wherein new opportunities naman ang iyong kumbaga, i-receive or re-entertain. Unlike holding on, siguro matatauhan ka, Aries, kasi you will be thinking na wala naman ako makukuha kung talagang ilalaban ko ito. Alam kong every day is falling into pieces. Hindi na talaga nag-work para sa akin. Bakit ko pa panghahawakan itong sitwasyon or ilalaban itong relationship na to? Trabaho, friendship, okay? So, I need to make a way. Ganun ang magiging maisipan nyo. So, kailangan ko na talaga mag-move forward. Iwanan to, talikuran na ito para mag-heal na rin ako. Okay? Para gumaan na rin pakiramdam ko. Yun ang sasabihin niyo, Aries, dito. So, ang ganda. Knight of Swords by May 2026, there is a miscommunication that might happen. So, Aries, because you're a sign na filled with action, parang medyo the way you talk, control the way you act. Okay, baka mamaya misinterpret ng ibang tao, mag-cause ito ng confusion, ng conflict dito. Baka may maka-misinterpret ng mga sinasabi mo, mga binibitawan mong salita, yung galaw mo, yung mga desisyon mo. So, dahan-dahan, pag-isipang mabuti, and huwag pabara-bara sa mga gagawing mga desisyon. Kailangan mo nang maging mahinahon, huwag gagawa ng desisyon kapag overwhelming yung emotion mo dito kasi baka magkaroon, ma-involve ka sa conflict, sagutan ito, away, o kung ano man ito, problema na maaaring masangkot ka. So, So, dahan-dahan lang ha. Take it easy. I know, Aries, everything is like very heightened yung emotion ngayon. You're so filled with energy, full of energy ka. That's why parang excited ka everyday. Ang dami mong gustong gawin. Parang, parang hindi ka napapagod. But, kailangan huwag makakalimutan na i-control or dahan-dahanin yung mga bagay, lalong-lalo na sa mga salitang bibitawan. But because with the Knight of Swords here, this is more on, I can see baka mamaya, ma-involve ka sa mga problema. Right? So, pang lima mong baraha, Queen of Swords, this is more on taking action, commanding. So, kailangan mo talaga, Aries, I can see by May 2026, ipakita mo yung galing mo sa pagli-lead. Ipakita mo yung leadership skills mo, hindi pwedeng parang lagi ka nag-a-adjust sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Maaring siguro, Aries, ay parang siguro, it's been a long time because I know that you have a very good heart, but sometimes, nami-misinterpret kayo. So, this is the best time by May 2026 na ipakita mo yung authority mo. So, this is what I wanted. Ito yung gusto ko mangyari. Hindi to pwedeng hindi to mababali. So, bahala kayo. I am the leader here. I will be the one. Ako yung nasusunod dito. Ako yung ang tumutulong sa inyo. Why? Bakit ako pa mag-a-adjust? So, by May 2026, asserting your authority, pakita mo yung power mo. This is not para magmayabang ka, para magpakita na mas mataas ka sa kanila, but it's more on for you to be respected yung position mo or kumbaga kung anong power ang meron ka. Okay? You need to to assert your authority. Pakita mo talaga na kahit paano, kaya mo naman mamuno. Hindi yung pwedeng puro adjust ka na lang sa kanila. Alright? So we have 5 cards more here before we proceed to our second row. Aries, ulitin ko kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yan ang pong hingin natin. Road to 90k na po tayo. Thank you so much. And sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, road to 11k na rin po tayo. Mag-follow na rin po kayo kapag di po kayo na-follow. And if you want a mail private reading, mag-message lang po kayo sa ating TikTok account. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo. Scammer po yan. Alright? So, doble ingat po. Pang-anim is Justice. Wow! Wheel of Fortune is here. This is literally also Aries. Siguro kung may mga nakaraang buwan or this current situation, may nilalaban kayo mga legal matters, mga papel, mga kaso, barangay, may mga conflict, may mga bagay na parang inaasikaso na may kinalaman sa legal matters. With the Wheel of Fortune here, expect that a good news or sa'yo papabor yung magandang resulta, ikaw yung mananalo dito. And also, with the Justice card here, this also signifies fairness. Maaring Aries for a long time naabuso yung kabaitan mo, parang kahit hindi ka masyadong nakikinabang o hindi ka masyadong parang kumikita or wala ka masyadong natatanggap, still consider mo. But with the Justice card here, by May 2026, expect a new situation wherein, kumbaga, kung yung galing mo, yung talento mo talagang ma-appreciate, ma-awardan ka, mabibigyan to ng compensation, bonuses, incentives. So everything is more on appreciation with the Justice card here for a long time na hindi mo naranasan. 6 of Cups is here. Wow, Knight of Cups. With the victory and success here, mapapa-reminisce ka, mapapa-flashback ka dito by May 2026. I can see, Aries, mabibisi ka sa pakikipag-reconnect sa mga childhood friends, high school, classmates, mga kamag-anak, mga pinsan for a long time na hindi kayo nakikita. It's more on, siguro uuwi kayo sa probinsya, pupunta kayo sa mga lugar na very meaningful, yung naging, kumbaga malaki yung naging naitulong sa memories mo, sa buhay mo as a whole. So it's more on reflecting, nostalgia, moments. So it's more on, kung di man literally niya makikipag-reconnect ka, it's through siguro communication, makikipag-video call ka, mag-chat-chat kayo for a long time na parang nawalan kayo ng communication. With the 6 of Cups here, it's more on reflecting, reminiscing the past memories that you had with people, situation, workplace, sa mga lugar. So it's everything. It's all about magbumuni-muni ka dito, mapapa-flashback ka sa mga bagay-bagay na parang nami-miss mo dito. Alright? 4 of Wands is here, celebration, wedding. So for you to to be happy talaga, Aries, you need to, by May 2026, sabi ko talaga magde-decide ka na mag-move forward na. Iwanan nito mga painful experiences and for you to totally heal. Okay, sabi ko nga hindi naging madali ang lahat, but still with the 4 of Wands here, this is a confirmation that talagang happiness and celebration is waiting for you. You just need to help yourself, nagbumawa na ng aksyon, kumilos na para palayain ang sarili mo sa mga blockages, sa mga sakit, sa mga puot, disappointments na still dinadala mo for a long time. May 2026, sabi ko nga, you're going to make a decision na talagang mag-move on na and mag-heal na. And that is very necessary. Kailangan mo yung gawin, Pisces, for you to celebrate naman. It's been a long time na na-compromise ang yung happiness. Parang, yes, parang feeling mo lang you are living every day. Parang you're just for survival lang. But now you will feeling the joy again. Mararamdaman mo ulit yung parang very smooth, masaya na relationship, masaya na friendship, yung trabaho na ma-appreciate ka, everything. It's about celebration dito na for a long time, parang feeling mo hindi ka valued parang feeling mo hindi ka appreciated, Aries. Parang sabi ko nga, parang everyday, nabubuhay ka lang, gumigising ka lang just for existence. Okay? Parang just for compliance. Ganun, di ba, Aries? But now, with the Four of Wands, it's more on a new kind of feeling na hindi mo naramdaman for a long time. It's more on happiness dito and contentment. Pangsyamang baraha for your May 2026 reading, Aries. Wow! We have here the Six of Pentacles. Okay? So, mag-ingat with the Knight of Swords here. Baka mamaya, makikita ko dito, ang magiging conflict dito kung hindi mo pag-isipang mabuti yung mga salitang bibitawan mo o yung mga desisyon na gagawin mo. This is related sa mga tinutulungan mo o yung mga umaasa sa'yo. Siguro dahil Aris, baka mamaya medyo ma-overwhelm ka, mag-self-pity ka, ba to? Ba't purong ako na lang nagbibigay, puro ako na lang inaasahan, baka mamaya kung ano yung salitang mabitawan mo. I know, yung mga Aris, mga tahimik lang yan, pero pag napuno yan, iba talaga, hindi nyo kakayanin sasabihin yan. That's why I can see here, you are overwhelmed. Sa May 2026, maraming lalapit sa inyo, kamag-anak, siguro, literally, mga kapatid, magulang ng hihingi that will be needing your help. That's why parang dito nakikita ko, baka mamaya hindi mo magustuhan yung the way how they're going to ask help for you. That's why, baka mamaya biglang iinit yung ulo mo. So, calm, do it in a calm way, relax ha, Aries. Baka mamaya hindi na may babalik yung mga salitang may bibitawan. Kung may mabibigay, magbigay ka. Pero kung wala naman, ipaliwanag sa kanila. Because I can see here, ang daming mong overwhelmed ka sa mga binibigyan or mga tinutulungan dito. Money related. So, Aries, 10th and last card mo for your May 2026, which is the Page of Wands. Okay? So, being grateful is the key. May 2026, hindi man lahat totally, kumbaga, isang bagsakan ang blessings and good news na parating, but at least you can see that there's an improvement sa mga minamanifest mo, sa mga bagay na pinapangarap mo na ngayon ay ginagawa mo na. Hindi to overnight success. Appreciate what you have as of now. Blessings in disguise, siguro may mga blessings na hindi mo lang nakikita and because you're looking for the bigger picture. Okay, so Aries, you are reminded to be grateful. Appreciate what you have as of now. Tutubo naman yan lahat, mamumukadkad naman yan later on. But as of now, be patient. Just work, focus on your goals, be happy, be appreciative, and everything, kumbaga, will fall into place for you. Kumbaga, with this Page of Wands, nothing is, there's no problem here. It's more on talagang, kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy na ang blessings na parating sa'yo. But just need to be patient and appreciate what you have as of now. Alright? So, Aries, I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama, sa inyong loyalty, sa inyong pag-share, pag-like, pag-comment, and of course, for subscribing. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ano man ang ginagawa nyo, saan man kayo ngayon naroon, mag-iingat kayo lagi. And God bless us all.